So let's talk about masks. When I put a call out there on Facebook saying, what are your issues with education right now? The overwhelming majority of people that wrote in said, for the most part, unmask our kids. So is that still the cry that you're hearing? I guess, Rob, I'll start with you. And also, New Jersey, January 11th, that mask mandate expires.
So there was a lull, and now it's coming back. The call to unmask the kids as we get closer to January 11th when the mask mandate expires. At the same time, there are parents. I've received a lot of messages from parents asking to advocate to continue for the mask mandate. I can say that when we do, anecdotally, the vast majority of our contact tracing, the transmission is out of school. It's that flag football end of season party where there are 40 kids in a small room, a birthday party, things like that. When we contact trace it, it's out of school transmission. So this is definitely something that's going to heat up again, and as we get closer to that deadline without hearing anything from Trenton, I think you're going to get more of a ruckus around the unmask our kids advocacy.
Yeah, and Chuck, I mean, obviously we're now tracking Omicron. We know that Delta is still 99% of the cases out there, and you have people making decisions also about holiday travel.
Yeah, look, we have not we're not having students quarantine who travel out of state. We never have actually here in Frioul Regional High School District, and we've had zero issues with that. I know a lot of school districts are, and students have to quarantine if they travel to certain areas. But to Rob's point earlier about the rate of transmission in school, it's negligible. All the transmission that we've seen, except for, maybe less than 0.25%, has been outside of school. So when the rate of transmission across the state is 8-9%, and in schools it's 0.05, I think that we feel safe with, and obviously masks might be a part of that, and social distancing and other protective measures that we've taken. But from a holiday travel standpoint, we're a bit of an anomaly at Frioul Regional. We have not quarantined our kids who travel out of state or our staff members. We do require them to notice us, but that is the only point that we've done throughout the pandemic. We've had zero issues.